Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm finally going to build that last drawer that has to go up in the kitchen at the house. And I had written down measurements, and this was weeks ago. I understand most of them, but there's one measurement that I'm unsure about. I know that the face is 21 7/8 inches wide and 5 1/4 inches tall. And I know when I put the face onto the actual drawer, I'm leaving 1 inch from the top of the box, or the drawer inner part, to the top of the face. That part's easy enough, but I have 19 3/4 written down for what I thought was a width, and I don't think it is. I think that's the measurement that I'm missing. So until I can get a hold of Melissa and get that measurement, I can do a few things tonight, but then I'll have to wait until I get all the measurements. Well, I got this part here done. I do see in my router toolbox, I do have my original like the jig, so I know how high up to make the mark there. So I mean, this was not the same width as the other ones, but it tells me how far. So that I was, I mean, I could have adjusted it wherever, but I kind of want them all the same, so I'm glad that was in there. I still have this little jig in there. That's from when I make the little dovetail boxes. Here's the other side. Plenty of room there. I think this plywood is a little bit thinner. I had to go buy this piece. I didn't have any. I think it's a little thinner than the last one, but it doesn't matter. It's a drawer. It's going to be fine. Okay, well, I got most of the parts cut here. Next thing I'd have to do is bring some tools in from my truck. So to cut this bottom piece, I have the skill saw out there. So I'm just going to wait. It's a little bit after 9 o'clock right now. I want to get inside. It's been a long day, so we'll come back at it another day. Well, as you can see, I'm back out here again. Shouldn't take too long to get this drawer finished up. Well, the drawer is all done, so except for putting the slides or whatever them things are called on, and right now they're screwed on to the drawer that I originally made that was too small. Hopefully this one will be the right size. Trying to figure out any questions that people will have, and I have another video going right now that you won't see until after this one. And that one I explained that I burnt my hand. I was cooking and hot butter got on there and burnt the crap out of the top of my hand right there, so that's why I've got it bandaged up. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to be going up there. We got a bunch of stuff going on with my dad this weekend coming up. So I won't be up there until the 2 weekends from now, and then I'll put this in, and I will show it when I finish the other video on an antique that I've been finishing here. So thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.